Hello everyone, today's video is I'm gonna show you how I made my headband ear savers for nurses and medical staff. So here I'm using my son's old shirt that he don't use anymore because I'm run out of my fabrics. So I'm just cutting the back of it. And I made some few masks out of this as well. So we got one big fabric for the main headband, which is like 15 inches and 7 inches, and then this fabric for the elastic, the inches and 2.5 inches and elastic. So that's what we need. Now we're ready to make our headband. So we need to fold this long fabric, the short fabric, in half, and then we're gonna sew it by here, both. Now using a safety pin, we're ready to turn our fabric right side out by doing this. So we're gonna do this on both the fabric. Now that I've ironed these two pieces, we're ready to put our elastic in our elastic casing. So this is how you do it. You need to use a safety pin and then just put it inside like this. And then pin at the end. Pin it until you get to the end. And this is what it looks like now, and then we need to sew on each side. make sure this is our seam line here, which is in the middle. Now we ready to turn our headband right side up, and then we're ready to attach our elastic casing. So this is how you do it. So the seam is in the middle here, so you need to put it and attach it on by the end in the middle like this. See, there's the seam, our seam in the middle there. So it's gonna be right side to right side, and then fold it to the middle, and then pin. And then attach on the other side the same way. See the seam line there in the middle? So we're gonna bring it over to the other end in the middle, right side to right side. See the seam line there at the bottom, and then bring it to the middle and pin. And now we're ready to sew by here and on the other side. This is what it looks like now after sewing. So we're ready to pull to hide the raw edges inside. This is what it looks like now. See, it's a finished look because the raw edges is hidden inside. And then what we're gonna do is just to run a straight stitch here to enclose our raw edges. Now we can put 2 buttons each side to make it for ear saver. I got a button here, so I got 2 yellow buttons. I'm gonna put it in. And now I think we're gonna measure from this seam. You measure 3.5 inch, I think so. So you measure like 3.5 inch. So 1, 2, 3. So it's about here. So you put that button there. So I'm marking where I put my button. that's where I'm gonna put my bottom. And now here's our headband ear savers for nurses and medical staff. So thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone. Bye. Have a good day.